What are your thoughts about 3D printed crowns now? Like, obviously, dentures, they're quite good printed. We know it's established, Lucitone, splints, very good at printing, models, good at printing, surgical guides, it's the standard. A few years ago when we spoke, and I'd highly recommend anyone to listen to our previous podcast. It's interesting to see how things change. But, you were me and you both actually were quite dismissive of the 3D printing thing, and we didn't really see it taking off. Have your thoughts changed? Do you see the materials being that much better, or do you feel like it's a culture shift where for some reason dentists are more open to resin crowns and that will drive it? Or are you seeing actually the materials now can compete with something like Emax? Maybe not on megapascals, but at least a deliverable option that's clinically suitable.
This is, of course, one of the most important questions in dentistry, honestly, because it's going to shift a lot if depending on what we answer. I think Justin from Asiga have a great framing saying we're only one innovation away, right? Yeah. When that is said, I have to say, I've discussed this with hundreds of people, right? And I still have to say, quoting here Markus Heinz, CEO of Ivoclar, is saying, a ceramic crown will always be better than what you can print full ceramic crowns. But you can also make a good crown, maybe not yet. And then the question is, do we want the best possible crown, or do we want a good enough crown? Yeah. A good enough crown. I would say, in full transparency, I don't see many people will I consider serious putting finals in. People are putting temps in big time, right? But finals, I don't believe they are there yet, neither from material property for longevity and also from aesthetics, in my opinion.